What up, folks? Just got done putting this thing back together. As you see, I went with Ford Blue on the motor, pulled it apart, oiled both ends. Essentially, yeah, just clean the stator up, clean the rotor up. The rotor vents were plugged, so I'm glad I did, because I think it probably would have cooked itself. New capacitor. There's my microfarad, my voltage. Let's see, what else? Upgrades, so to speak. Insulated the suction line. Insulated the cap tube line simply because I did not want it chafing. As you can see, it's real snug. The pan's a little rough, but nothing a little paint and a little Flex Seal can't fix. Actually, the motor's actually in really good shape still. The bearings feel pretty good. It's a good old Copeland. Bam. Let's see here. We go over here. Unplug this, come around. Yeah, my garage is an absolutely pigsty, but hey, what can you do? So, as you see, the thermostat's jump right out because it's a little cool in here, despite the heater being on. We have our vent, air sweep, thermostat, and that. I still have to clear coat the case. Put the case back on it. Let's see here. The junk that comes down from the ceiling. Still got to do something about the thermostat. I really don't like it just flopping. That's how I got it. Other than that, here's fan. Now before, it used to rattle its ass off against the housing because the rubber mounts were totally gone on the motor. Low cool. Yeah. First this thing started in half a year easy. See here. Yeah, it's probably close to the air temperature in here. Give that a minute to do its thing. Compressor's also really cold, so I bet you there's a little bit of liquid sitting in the oil and it's slowly pulling it out. It's cold. I am going to leave this uncovered for about a minute or two, simply for the fact if I wanted to build head pressure, just to push the oil through the evaporator and yada yada yada. It's starting to frost up down here. But yeah, for those of you that were on Flickr, I had this thing down to the pan and literally just these two pieces on the housing. Fan motor is out, compressor, condenser, evaporator all out. Never had to unbraze them, so what charges in here is factory. Alright, let's get into business now. Oh, she's getting toasty. It's low cool. What about high cool here? It's actually not even, it's not that loud either of a unit. It's really just compressor noise. Alright, I need to put something on top of that. Let's see, will this do the trick? Sorta. Right here. A little bit of air ain't gonna hurt it, but we got air coming out the back. Yeah, we do. There. Bam. Air sweep still works. You ain't gonna find that on a new unit ever again. Sad. It really is sad. No, I did manage to lose the vent, so I gotta look for that in the garage, but normally, yeah, it still works. Yeah, it's getting... No, that's why. Damn heater came off. There we are. That's a badass little heater right there. Yes, I do have to mount it to the ceiling, but that thing will get it to 70 from about 15 degrees in not even half an hour. And you better bet it uses some electricity to do it, but whatever. That's pretty cool. You can see where the majority of the air is going through the evaporator is, and how over here it's starting to frost up. We're getting out of the condenser here. Oh, why am I doing this? I got a temperature gun for a reason here. Let's see here, what's coming in? Yeah, you can tell the compressor's cold. Well, it's starting to heat up down there. Where literally the pump is. Up here the motor's still cold. Bottom of the coil. Yeah, I'd say that's accurate. It's happy. Sure, it's cold in here, but it's happy. Let's see here. Yeah, a little cold, but right now all the heat from the heater's blowing up over here, so it'll keep it happy. Alright, that's on low fan. Let's try high fan. Damn. Do a comparison here how accurate my little pro style is here. Give that a minute to adjust. And yeah, in the video you can see that condenser fan did get bent a little bit. The guy I got it from had the motor rigged to hell and back because the mount's disintegrated. So yeah, the blade got a little jacked, but still functions just as it should. Yeah, you got plenty of good air here on the condenser. Suction line's nice and cold. Pretty damn accurate. Alright, cool. Real quick for just a compressor sound. And nice and cool. Alrighty, folks. Oh, before we end this. Alrighty, folks. See ya.